Hi guys, I'm Anna.
And I'm Brian.
And we are
Those Annoying Vegans!
We are here at our 3rd annual Eat Drink Vegan, and we're really excited to try new food, hang out with friends, and eat food. We were a little disappointed at the increased rates this year. I mean, the tickets have always been $50, which compared to all the other vegan events we attend, which are free, is really steep.
And you don't get any food.
You don't get any food.
Still have to pay for all the food at the food trucks.
You get free drinks, however. And now, this year, they added a $10 convenience fee per ticket when you purchase online.
Not per transaction, per ticket.
So in order to avoid that convenience fee, we messaged EDV and we asked, will you be selling tickets at the door? And they replied with, if they're available.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's fine. So we thought, okay, we'll just get them at the door. Well, we were in the car on the way here and we looked at tickets again, and their website had changed 50 to 60 at the door.
So we thought, maybe it's 60 flat and we can just buy them before we get there.
Yeah.
Nope, 60 plus the convenience fee of $10.
So now we're waiting to buy them at the door for 60, even though the price was 50, because we don't now want to pay 70.
So I think next year we would much rather go to the Animal Liberation Conference in Berkeley. We learned about it a little bit too late this year to plan to go there, but we are planning to go to the Animal Rights Conference in June here in Los Angeles. I
mean, $70 for unlimited pours of beer and kombucha. It's not really that great.
Not realistic, especially when you're driving home.
And they're 4-ounce pours, so.
Yeah. We'll see you guys in there. Let's go have fun anyway, because it's gonna be fun.
Let's do it.
They're selling ice cream outside a vegan event. Not a very savvy business decision. Look at the line, guys. Whoa.
2 tickets?
Get one of those. Alright.
What's that?
$140.
They're 60, right?
Yeah, but with taxes and fees, it comes out to $70.
With what?
Taxes and fees.
Taxes and fees?
That's a convenience fee.
Is that?
Is that for real?
Yeah.
So we just got our tickets and they are now $60 at the door plus $10 in taxes and fees.
So you can see there, 70 bucks.
So security was making people throw out their water.
Yeah.
Way to save water, Eat Drink Vegan. What's that about? I don't get what's happening today.
Another thing you guys should know is that over here it says glass upgrade, because when you come to EDV, you get a free 4-ounce glass to take with you, and you get unlimited pours of beer, kombucha, whatever they have to drink. But they'll gladly charge you more money to get a bigger glass.
If you want to come to EDV, it's a fun event. Just get your tickets super early and maybe just pay the $55, was it?
Yeah, whatever the early bird fee is. Plus I'm sure there'll be a convenience fee because they did it this year, so they'll do it next year. So.
camera battery is almost out, so we're gonna sign off.
Yeah.
Hope you had fun watching, seeing everything we ate, and the incredible crowd here. There are thousands of people here.
Yeah.
Eat Drink Vegan is 2 to 3 times as big as it was last year, so we're thinking that might have to do with the price hike.
Yeah, they expanded it out to the golf course that's next to the Rose Bowl, which is where we're standing right now. It's definitely a very large space. It's definitely a very nice space. It's in a really nice part of town. They've got music, they've got kombucha, they've got beer, they've got wine, they've got food.
Lots of trees to sit under.
So if you guys want to go to EDV, go. Just know that it's going to be the one with the price tag attached to it.
But it's great to see all these people out here willing to pay to be together in one space, be with other like-minded people, and eat some delicious food. And there's some really good merchandise here as well. Wine and beer and kombucha.
So as always, if you like this video, guys, please give us that thumbs up down below. It really helps us out. And if you haven't already, subscribe and make sure to slam that notification bell so you will be notified every time we have a new video.
And check out our Etsy store for some cool vegan swag that you can wear to your next festival.
And a massive thank you to our patrons on Patreon. You guys are amazing. You really support this channel. And if you like what we do and you want to become a patron on Patreon, you can do that.
The link is in the description.
It is.
We're gonna finish this buffalo cauliflower pizza. Bye.